Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's episode, we're going to show you how to change your photo background with YouCam Perfect by using two of our new features, Background and Kaleidoscope.
First, let's start with the Background tool. Click the background icon and it'll show you the two options. One is Add Background and the other is Change Background. If you want to cut yourself out of the photo and change the background, then go ahead with the Change Background feature. When you click on it, it'll automatically remove the subject from the photo and change the background for you. You can always use the eraser to fix the outline of the subject or any parts where you want the new background to appear. Here, we provide a ton of pattern backgrounds for you to choose from, including scenery, art, skies, and more. Anything you want. You can even adjust the size of the background and move it to whatever place you want. If you want to use a background from your own photo album, no problem. Click this image icon to pick your photo. Or choose Stop to search for an image on Unsplash. Cool, right? Let's take a look at the before and after. Doesn't the background look a lot more lively? So what happens if you choose Add Background? Well, it'll directly add a bigger background under your existing photo to give it a photo frame or scrapbook-like effect. You can adjust the blur level of your background by dragging this bar. Here, we also provide both a selection of pattern backgrounds and solid colored backgrounds. You can use the color picker to select the color you want and make it your background color. If you want to keep this color, just click the heart plus icon to save it and it'll show up as a selection for you next time. Want to share your edit to social media? Click the ratio button. This will help you resize your image for whatever platform you choose, and you can always adjust your photo size on the background too. Once you decide which background you want, don't forget to save your edit. The second way is to use our new Kaleidoscope feature. With just one tap, you can change your boring background into a fancy kaleidoscope pattern one. This time, I'm going to use my own photo. So when I click on the kaleidoscope icon, it auto-detects and cuts out the subject while applying a kaleidoscope effect to your background. You can adjust the kaleidoscope effect by dragging this bar and it'll give you a really cool variety of patterns. With the slice feature, you can also change the number of reflective panels in the kaleidoscope. In addition, if you drag the horizontal bar, you can move the kaleidoscope center to the right or left. And this is more useful when your image width is wider and your subject isn't at the center. So by dragging the horizontal bar, you can adjust the kaleidoscope center towards your subject. Same goes for the vertical bar. Using this feature, you can adjust the center to the top or bottom of your photo. Here's a peek at the before and after photos. I really love this kaleidoscope feature. It's a super easy way to add some magic to your photos. That's all for today's video. Don't forget to download the YouCam Perfect app and give these new background changing features a try on your next edit. As always, we look forward to reading your questions or any feedback, so leave them in the comments section below. Remember to subscribe to our channel and turn on your notifications. Thanks for watching and see you next time.